that subscribe button, hit that share button, cause tonight we in Birmingham, Alabama, and it's not just a fight. Man, it's a fight for the food and the recipe, and we really doing our thing in Birmingham, Alabama. And when I say the recipe, we got Cuzzo cooking. We got the owners right here doing their thing, and we're in front of the beautiful 3000 bar in Birmingham, Alabama. And when I say we talking about recipes, they got the flavored wings, they got the patty melts, they really doing their thing in Birmingham, Alabama. And it's a fight in the UFC. It's a fight for these people's food in Birmingham, Alabama. And if you ain't with Birmingham, Alabama, you better be ready to fight Courtney P. You better be ready to fight the recipe again and again and again. Thanks for walking and talking and ride and slide with your boy Courtney P and two brothers, two black-owned business brothers, business owners, again and again and again. Thanks for walking and talking and ride and slide with your boy Courtney P at the 3000. But tonight we keeping it 5,000 at the recipe in Birmingham, Alabama. Again and again and again.